Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now we need to get a flathead screwdriver to get that plastic trim cover off, because we need to get that off to get the light out to be able to finally access the bulb. Get the screwdriver and put it right where I'm putting it. There's a small gap, you'll be able to shove the screwdriver in and then use it like a lever to pry the cover off. And then just follow along as I'm doing it. One by one, there's multiple clips that's holding this trim cover piece in place. And then at one point, just grab the piece and just pull it out. It'll come right out. It looks kind of scary and it may take a few seconds, so just be patient with it, but it'll come out. Now right over there you'll find the one nut that's holding the light in place. We have to get the light out because there's no other way to access the bulb. For that you need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Get the socket ratchet combination, get that one nut out, and then you may have to get it out the rest of the way with your fingers. Now wiggle the light a little bit, get it loose a little bit like that. Once it's loose, get the screwdriver in just the way I'm showing, and then you'll be able to pry the light out. You can put a towel or something underneath the screwdriver to avoid scratching the paint. I'm just doing it directly so I can show you exactly how I'm putting the screwdriver and trying to pry the light out. Those two pins, they go right over there. That's what just popped off. Now that's the bulb holder right there. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. Get the new bulb, align it there and push it in to secure it. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to spend a few seconds twisting and turning it before it just drops in. So just be patient there and see how it just drops in. Yep, that's good. So get it in like that and then twist your right to lock it. And now let's put the light back in the body, align it over there, put that one nut back on, hand tighten it and then tighten it down with the socket ratchet combination, and we are done here. Let's get the cover back in place, line up the cover. As you can see, those clips go into holes in the body, so just line it up properly and then just start tapping them one by one. You'll have to go around the entire trim piece cover to make sure all the clips are tapped in properly, but that is pretty much it. That's all you have to do. So go right around it and you are done. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.